So whether you are a teacher or doctor or an advocate or carpenter or plumber. Hello everyone, how are you? This is Jaspreet. In this video, I'm gonna tell you why you should start your own YouTube channel in this year. So, let's get started. If you are a creator, if you create something, you may be a painter, an artist, a musician, or a dancer. You should create your own YouTube channel. By doing this, you will improve your self-confidence, and you will make your own videos. You will learn how to shoot videos, how to edit the videos, and thereafter how to publish the videos on YouTube. You can earn a big amount of money through YouTube, and by uploading on YouTube, you will learn about your audience too. You develop your personality by doing this. At the same time, you can showcase your work in front of your clients, your customers, or audience. By doing this, you can expand your business. If you are a teacher, you can give lessons to your students or your audience through YouTube videos. You will face the camera. By doing this, you will build self-confidence in yourself. If you are a teacher, you will create your own brand. You will create your own channel, and you will attract more audience, more customers, more clients. If you are a doctor, you can share your experience with your audience. You can share your tips through YouTube videos. You will create your own YouTube videos. If you are an advocate, you can share your experience. You can share what the law says in your country. The common people will come to your channel and become your audience. You will build your own brand too, and you develop your self-confidence too. And by doing this, you can expand your business. You may be in any type of profession, any type of business. You may be a real estate agent. If you are a real estate agent, you can publish the videos of real estate, of properties which are available for rent and for sale. And by doing this, a real estate agent can attract more clients, more customers for their property. And you can show your properties through YouTube videos to your clients. You need not to go every and each time to that particular property to visit that particular property. You can show your property, your client's property, to your client, to your customer through YouTube video. And at the same time, you will get more clients. More clients will join you. More clients will comment you, call you. If you are a housewife, you can make your YouTube channel also. If you are in a profession, if you are an advocate or a doctor or a teacher, if you give tips on your YouTube video, You can share your experience with your audience. You can share your tips. By doing this, you can have your more clients, more customers. If you are not in any type of business or in profession, you are not doing job anywhere, you can do vlogging if you like this, if you like traveling, if you like photography. If you are a sports person, you like a particular type of sport, you can create a video in which you can teach, you can instruct how this game is played, what are the rules, and you can create different videos on different aspects connected to this particular game. If you like watching movies, you can share your own ideas with the audience. If you are in any type of profession or business, you can share your information, you can share your experience with other people who need this. You can share, you can spread awareness. You pay huge amount of money to any school, to any institute to develop your personality, to develop your self-confidence. And this is the free platform. YouTube is a free platform where you can practice, where you can upload your videos, you can share your experience, you can share your ideas, opinions. And at the same time, you can build your self-confidence. You can build your personality. You can develop your personality free of cost. If you are not in any type of business, you are not in any type of profession, you are a student or you are not a student, you like traveling, you like photography, you like traveling from one place to another, you can do vlogging, you can be a vlogger. Nowadays vloggers are earning a huge amount of money through YouTube. There are many ways on YouTube, many ways are there for earning money. If you are foodie type of person, you like traveling, you like to travel from one place to another, you like to taste different types of foods, you can create a food vlogging channel, and in this channel you can share your experience with the audience. There are many ways on internet, there are many ways on YouTube to earn money. You can make videos of lifestyle, which dress suits to which occasion. This type of videos you can make. Which jeans suits to which t-shirt, which shirt suits to which trouser, which tie suits to which shirt, on what type of occasion you should have, you should wear that particular attire. You can make videos on these things. You can make lifestyle videos. If you are a fitness freak, you can make videos of your workout, of your diet plan. If you like gadgets, you can share the experience, your views connected to that particular gadget. You can share your reviews. How was that gadget? How is that gadget? And if you are a student, you like a particular subject, you can make videos of that particular subject. There are small things, very small things. For example, if you want to teach how to repair this particular thing, if you know how to repair this particular thing, you can teach, you can instruct, you can make your video explaining all the steps. How can we repair this through your YouTube channel? And you create a YouTube channel for yourself. You can create your own brand. If you are an electrician, if you are a plumber, You can make video connected to your work. How do you perform a particular work in your field? How to connect the pipes? How to connect the wires? If you like reading books, you can share your experience, you can share your opinion connected to that particular book. How was that book? There are so many ideas, there are so many things are there. You can create your own channel, own videos, and you can be a YouTuber. You can be your own brand. There are so many things. You can create your own channel. So many things are there. So, you can start from this year. No need to wait.